Doubles as well. Let's multiply 25x's. 25 times. Woo! Ladies and
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
No. That's a 5. Cute. Actually, this is the first time in this session we got it. Awesome. 5,850 winners. Congratulations. Player G 9,000. Awesome. You're the top winner. Yes, thanks to you. You motivated me. Well, now both of us will have proper sleeping schedule. And now the rest of the things will go well as well. With your goals, what to do in the near future. Right? Exactly, Player GH. We can do it. Of course we can. Say next on coin flip. Player Tom, please be right. Please. Please, 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 please. Thank you. Boys and girls. Well, that's coin flip for the 10x. Pretty cool, right? Mm-hmm. Hi, here we are. Alright, coin is here. It's cute, you cute. Be nice to us. Call matching with the multi. We have a chance to get 20 on red, 5 on a blue. 10 times more, 200 on red. It's so cute. And PTX on blue. Well, we know what we want. I wish you the best. Good luck. Ready? Chicks!
This is the amount of money issued, 1,009,006 euros.
Good! You got it. It's red. It's cute. It's 200x. Back to the wheel. 9,400 winners. Ooh, ooh. Congratulations. Thumbs up. Let's continue. Excuse me, what? Top winner 100,000? And that was amazing catch.
Next round, good luck. Adil, Ashik, Ranga, Pachu. Top wins. We're going again now. So yeah. My session's coming to an end though. We had an interesting one, saw some decent wins, saw a period of numbers. Coin flip is like a Voldemort, a name you don't want to a name you don't mention in this session. It cashed in with a 4x, by the way. Hey yo, chill, slow down a bit. Hold up, wait a minute. Yes, thank you. This we take with pleasure. Cash in with a 4x multiplier. Chef's kiss for a spin like that. Alright, first order of business, checking out the multis. Biggest multi 100x. Psych. No, it ain't. We quadrupling everything up. And now the biggest multi is a 400x. We got 200s, 100s, 80s all around. Wishing you the best of luck. Hopefully you don't get the 20x. Knock on wood, you know. And yeah, sniff out, pick out the biggest multis. Alright. They've been mixed up. I'ma choose one too. I see that lonely bird on the right corner. I'm just taking that bird. Third line from the bottom. Alright. Couple more moments for you. If you don't make a decision in time, it's automatically chosen for you. If you didn't know, now you do. Reveal the multis.
This is the amount of money issued, 85,170 euros.
Me. 33 of you got that 400x. Congratulations, 2,686 winners. Bet in time. Bet in time.
Top winners are ATS2 and MOP, so place the bets again if you'd like. 30x, well, better it could have been 15 without the top slot, so you know. You've got to look at the positive side of things. Cash right now with a 5x, okay. We will be super positive if you get the cash hunt. We're in the UK. Milton Keynes, so you know, in the middle. Milton Keynes. Stop it. Are you kidding me? Well, look at that. Cash hunt, say 5x now. Let's go. What do we have? Again, there's lots of 100s. Nice. Let's times everything by 5. Look at how many 500s that we have on here. That is crazy. The highest is 500. Let's shuffle all of the multipliers. This is crazy. It might not be the big win of the day, but a lot of you will get a big win with this cash hunt. So the shuffling is now done. Making decisions. You can use auto pick as well, because this one might be a bit stressful for you. You know, the stakes are high, 500 being the highest. And what's the lowest? Probably 25. Okay, so let's reveal.
This is the amount of money issued 67,355 euros.
Of course, for this round. And yeah, let's go back and roll it and see the wheel. Welcome back. So that was amazing with Topslot, Ram, Cokeman, and So-Called got the 500. That is wonderful. The best to open, everyone. The highest win is 1,280 on Crazy Time. Place the bets again, of course. Now we have Crazy Time with a 5x for the top slot. I want to be excited, but I'm scared. Come on. Come on. We did it. We did it. We got Crazy Time with a 5x. We did it. We did it. Welcome to Crazy Time. No way. Yes way. Let's times all the multipliers by 5 now. Imagine if we get double on this like we did with the pachinkos. Now it's time for you to place the bets on green, blue or yellow flappers. You can also use auto pick as well if you're a bit worried on which color to. So the highest multiplier is 500. We got double for the yellow, 50 for green and 100 for blue. Let's double all the multipliers. So now the highest is a 1,000. Good luck.
This is the amount of money issued for 114,490 euros.
Congratulations to all the winners for this round. Winners are Barataki, Easy 1 and Jeff. Welcome back everyone to the wheel. That was amazing. The best to open once again.
That would be amazing cash to have the pachinko right now. But do we have it? Ladies and gentlemen, no way. No way, the biggest top slot. Let's go pachinko with 25x's. Now let's pray, ladies and gentlemen. Let's hope for the best. Let's hope we can land something great. Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, the extreme round is here. We got 25x multiplier on the pachinko. Let's go the flash. We have 3x's so far. We have 3, 7, we have 10, we have 15, 20, 25, 35, 40, 50. Doubles as well. Let's multiply 25x's. 25 times. Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, look at that. What a great multipliers for this round. Let's go, everyone. It's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be great. And I really hope we can land on 1,250x multiplier right now. Let's get it on. So, do we have a good win? Do we have some 2,100? And
This is the amount of money issued 1,888,091 euros.
20 minutes with me. Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, the biggest win, 1,250x multiplier, 3,708 winners of this round. Enjoy, ladies and gentlemen. Finally, we have the big win from Pachinko. Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, finally, first time bringing back my luck in the session.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.